Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be making these two cute floral cards, and to make those I did use Etchr postcard paper. This is called Press 230 GSM, and there is a link to my Amazon store in the description box and you will find those postcards there if you're interested. So also I will be using this Raphael number 0 quill brush, Raphael number 8 round brush. Next to that, I'll use ink pen Micron Pigma 03. And also for the watercolors, I will be using my own sets, earth, yellow, lighter brown, green. And from the sky set, I will be using a little bit of the pink and some violet. So that's all the supplies we will be using, and without further ado, let's get to it. I will start with the inking this time. So just gonna draw in a couple of simple flowers. You can see that I'm starting with 3 triangles and then adding some little stamens at the top and a little bit more ink just to stylize slightly and make those flowers a little bit more interesting. Second one, I'm gonna draw in the central part first, and then couple of petals around, and just also curving with my ink pen, just making those edges a little bit curved. Also some stamens in the center, and a little bit more ink just in between the petals, just to separate them a little bit more. And a couple of leaves on both of them, quite simple ones. Also, I decided to draw in the third flower. This one is going to be again visible from the side and have a little bit more petals, grass at the bottom. And before we start with my watercolors, this time I will write in the text for my card. You can just write in any text you want. I will write, "To me, you are special." So this can be a card for just about any occasion. A little bit more of the yellow. Just gonna add one circle next to the flower. I'm not gonna try to paint in the flowers. If that's what you prefer, you can absolutely do that, but I do want to draw in a couple of circles, shapes, some splatters of course. And moving on to the second one, this one is going to be a curve, and just adding small little petals at the top, florals at the top, and then just few more a little bit larger ones going down to the bottom. Again, quite simple ones. And a couple of larger leaves, a little bit more of the ink just to stylize them again. Also, I decided to draw in those flowers at the bottom. At first I was just thinking at the top, but then I thought, yeah, it would look nicer. I prefer it if I draw in a couple of also flowers at the bottom part. But very simple again. Quite sketchy, loosely. Again, I'm gonna write in the text. This time is going to be every day is occasion. So again, just for about any occasion, just for any day, you can use this card idea. Adding a couple of grasses and then some watercolor, starting off with a lighter pink again. I'm gonna draw in the circle And with the violet, I'm gonna this time paint a square. Again, you can just use about any shape you like. Some splatters and a little bit of the green at the bottom. And I also decided to add some green at the bottom also for the first card, just to finish them off. And with that, we're done. So quite simple as that. Cute, simple card ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, comment, maybe hype it, just make it accessible to more people. And I do have also a Patreon where I post regularly long videos, real-time videos. So if you would like to check it out, I will put the link in the description box. And if you haven't still also subscribed to my channel here, you should definitely do that. I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and see you next time. Bye!